Hello and welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we explored how to change the states of interfaces using individual API commands. Today we will streamline that process by demonstrating how to achieve the same result with a single efficient script. This will make your network management tasks more automated and less error prone. So let's get started. So here we see this is our script, and we see here that in the first command here we obtain the sid.txt, and here we check if it's there. Then here we check what interfaces have the enabled equals false, and then we take that variable and run it inside for loop to change the state from false to true. So enabled true. So first of all, let's look at what interfaces have the enabled false state. So we can close this for now, and first we need to log in to create our sid.txt file. And then we can check what interfaces have the false enabled state. Okay, so here we can see that ETH1 and 2 have the enabled false state. So now we can run our, we need to give the script, give it permissions. So chmod plus x interface, so a script, and now we can run our script like this, interface. Wait, enabling 1, enabling 2. Now it's done. So to make sure that the script did what it should do, so we can check again the interfaces. But before we can show the interfaces, we need to create a new sid file, because our sid file we created before was taken over the sid file created by the script. So we need a new sid file here. So we can again create a new sid file like this, and then we can check the interfaces. And now, because this command shows nothing, so that means that there is no interface in an enabled false state. So back to the script here. So I maybe forgot to mention here that here this username and password are we use them as variables, so that when you change your password, you don't need to change the script. You change only here in the variables. And another thing that we can add is the setx command. And setx command is used to show what is happening when the script is running. So we click I here. Here we can set x like that. So adding set-x to a shell script enables a mode of the shell where all executed commands are printed to the terminal before they are executed. This is useful for debugging, as it allows you to see the exact commands being run and their arguments. This detailed output can help you see exactly what your script is doing at each step and diagnose any issues that arise. So we can run the script again with this setX and see the difference. So we need to save here, escape, call, WQ, and exclamation mark. And we need to take down one interface to make sense, so we can take this one down. Okay, back there, and now we can run the script. And now we can see that the script shows every step what is going on. So now we're running this command, and now it's done. So here we can see that it shows all the steps. And this is very useful. So this is just a small example of what you can achieve with API commands in Checkpoint. While this this particular example may not cover all the possibilities, it demonstrates the potential for using these commands to automate and streamline your tasks. With the right use cases and a solid plan, you can harness the powerful of API commands to save significant time and effort in your network management operations. The flexibility and efficiency these commands offer can transform how you handle routine tasks, enabling you to focus on more critical aspects of your work. So I hope this video was interesting, and see you in the next time. Thank you for watching.